It acts funky.
I like your nails. All right.
Oh, thanks. I'm trying not to peel them.
Nice.
I'm the first person, thank you, who will peel. Like if I see one little part coming off, I peel off the whole thing, all of the nails.
I'm gonna take a few deep breaths. Perfect. So this pretty much aromatherapy that calms, it senses down, and the rolling oil and all that good stuff. I believe peppermint as well. Peppermint, neroli, anytime you're trying to take a test, peppermint's good, neroli's good, it calms your senses. And it's just a good. And it's not gonna mess with your hair or anything, it just stays in there so you can keep smelling it.
No, you're fine. I put oil in my hair all the time, as long as it's not water. It's the only thing a black girl's kryptonite.
It's a real problem, man. I don't mess around.
Right. Go out in the rain, you want to cuss everybody out. It was raining, I think, for what, Friday? And I was trying not to get my hair wet. I was so annoyed. But them days after the wash, when it's just curly, I feel invincible. Like rain, snow, anything can hit your hair, you don't care. Because it's natural.
Man, I miss these talks. See, I've been bored lately because other clients are not like you get. Like seriously, they're not. There are some great clients. Don't get me wrong. I got one or two like you're so happy. Like wow, thank God I get to work on so and so today. But then there's just the rest.
Angry.
Man, yeah.
Unhappy people.
It's like, damn, how could you be angry? What is going on in your life that you're making 6 figures easily? You got a Range Rover outside. You live in Ashburn, Virginia, which I know you gotta have some money to live in Ashburn.
Yeah.
So what's going on in your life that's that bad?
It's so true. I think it's perspective. I've learned that. Because there be things that be getting on my nerves too. Like, you know, of course that makes me unhappy, but then I have to really look at the perspective. And the more I start thinking about how good God is, I can't really help but change my mood. Because I can be a crank, man. I can be a real crank.
But everybody can. But that's not you. Like every time I see you, you're always upbeat. You're always, in a great mood. So you deserve to be cranky when you want to. You know what I mean? Like you have a pass. But there's some people that are cranky, like just for no reason. You know what I mean? They're just evil. And I don't know what they're going through. Like, what could you be going through that makes you this? You're that way every time I see you. Like something's wrong.
It's just like, perspective. You really gotta change your perspective. And I've been trying to do that because it's just like, who am I to even deserve the blessings that I do have? But compare how many blessings I have to so many other people's blessings. It's just like, man, I got it good. I really do. And I always tell myself, even if I can't see it at that moment, I'll repeat it to myself over and over. I'm trying so hard in 2018 to change my perspective. And not do so much complaining. It's so easy to complain.
It is.
You start on one, you just keep going. You can find so many things to complain about easily. But how easy is it for you to count your blessings and talk about all of those things?
That's right.
So that's what I'm really trying to do in 2018. Count my blessings. I really am.
And you're doing great, trust me. You guys, like I said, you guys go through hell and high water, dealing with people, dealing with workers, and it is a hit or miss sometimes. So you just fold in your lips for me, please. Like when I worked for certain corporations or businesses like spas and stuff like that, I kind of understand why they kissed the employees' butt sometimes, like just to come in, just to do this, because man, it's like, wait a minute. I understand I would love to fire your ass because you are coming in late all the time. But if I do, Miss Johnson, who signed up for membership, that's always requesting you, like, how do I get rid of, because she's going to leave if I get rid of you. And so it's like, I kind of got to keep you. Oh, you could.
Okay.
But with you guys, you don't have to, which is a good thing. You can always find. But then there's certain jobs like
the problem is, then they asked about the consistency. And they were like, well, Jenny was here last week. Why isn't Jenny seeing my kid this week? It's just like, so they do a lot of that.
And that's the
that's the problem. So it's just like, but even when I kiss Jenny's butt, Jenny doesn't show up on time, and it makes it difficult for me.
Yeah. So yeah, business, it goes to show, like, it's rough. It is not easy at all. Whoever tells you that business is easy is fooling themselves.
Listen to this real quick. I want to send it out. This is to Lori.
Okay.
See, mine didn't close in front like that. I had to throw mine over me.
Because you got
you didn't
titties,
do it.
Leslie.
Yeah,
you got titties.
You have something. Yeah,
You
have,
got
like,
titties.
great.
No, he tried to tell
Wow,
me
your
it's
skin
one size
is
fits
glowing.
all.
Man.
It is.
Yeah,
If you
your
throw
skin-
it over.
It is not one size fits all because all of this was open.
I was like, we gotta take a picture. You like,
I know her face is glowing.
Anyway,
Wait, did you add the parts that Theo said?
I don't remember with you.
Her
We
eye,
haven't been talking.
her eye policy